when you download the WhatsApp for Business app, the actual settings of the WhatsApp for Business, when people contact you for information, then it says it's a WhatsApp for Business. Then people know that you're running a business. So it's my absolute favorite thing when you're running a business. So it has the same functionalities for the normal app, the chats that you can have with your customers. You can even put up a status. You know how to do that with a plus sign, and you add the status of the business. Maybe you're running a campaign or you're running a sale, then you can put it up on your status, and your customers that are communicating with you, or the people that are in your contact, can see what's going on in the business, and then the calls that you can make from WhatsApp. So what is absolutely cool and crucial, and that's not on the normal WhatsApp, is the three dots are the menu. So if you click on the three dots, you can access the settings of your business profile on WhatsApp. So as you can clearly see, it says business settings. You can't have this profile on the normal WhatsApp. Your normal one says Zanele, and people don't want to talk to Zanele. If you're running a business, then it should be a business name. Then you can set up the business profile. You can have your logo up there. You know, the pencil is you setting up where the business is situated, you telling your customers when they can contact you, when you open, your email and your website where they can reach you. So it's quite professional, and it looks authentic, and it looks and feel like you're running a business. That's why it's one of my favorite things. And then the other thing, you can view the statistics of how many messages you've sent out, how many have been delivered, so you can see what's going on in your business. The other one is the link. If you want to tell people, send them a link of the WhatsApp instead of writing the WhatsApp. This is so crucial, and it's so frustrating when you see something online and it's on our Brown Sense website, and you want to WhatsApp the seller and find out what's going on, how much it is, and all of that. If you have to now write the number down and then go to your telephone and phone them, it takes time, and then people lose concentration quickly, and they leave you. So you can use these two copy. This says copy. You see, it shows you that the link has been copied. Then you can go to Facebook and you can paste it there instead of writing your number down. You can even do this on the personal one, but we're trying to move away from personal WhatsApp because we're trying to run businesses. And so the other thing that you can do, you can share. You can share your WhatsApp in the group or wherever you want to share it with this link. And you can also create a default message that will let your customer know when they open your WhatsApp for Business. So it's quite cool. The other thing that I wanted to show you, you can also show them that you're away and write a message, let them know you're away, you're going to be back, this and this, like you're running a professional business. People know what's going on when they WhatsApp you. And then there's also a greeting message that you can set up to say, hi, this is Zanele from Digitally For You. This is what we do. Welcome. You can let us know what you need. We're always here for you. And this is like my absolute favorite tool right now for business people. So please use it. The other thing I wanted to show you is if you go on, and there's lots more. Some of these features you know from your private settings, but if you go to the three dots and you go to settings and you go to data and storage, let's quickly see if then you're able to see how much data you're using, and then you are able to see how much media is loaded on the business profile. And if you go under privacy, you can set your privacy on who can contact you on your business. So there's absolutely so many things that you can do with your WhatsApp for Business, and it's quite cool. So try it, download the app, but do your due diligence first. See if you're happy with what you find on the app. It's my absolute favorite right now. And the other last thing I wanted to show you, so from your three dots, if you go to labels, you are able to label your customers. This is such a cool tool for a business, tagging the people that are contacting them. So you're able to say, this is a new customer, and then you can add a new customer there, and you can tag them in blue. So based on what the profile of the customer is, if it's a new order, if it's a pending, so it sort of like helps you manage your business properly and at the palm of your hand, instead of using the private WhatsApp for your business. So again, please subscribe, and this is for information purposes. Please subscribe at the bottom of the page and let me know what you think on comments, and then I'll see you on the next time. Next time we're going to be reviewing some absolutely wonderful app, one of my favorite apps on how to create a website. Have fun.